indexing. In history of the object, history of indexing is nothing but a the transformation from received item to the searchable data structure. It is nothing but a whenever user requesting a particular term to the server, based on the term, it will searches all the based on the user request. It is searches the it is either it is a image query, or it is a audio query, or it is a video query, or it is a PDF file. Based on the request, the index term will locate a particular locations of the information wherever the user need, wherever the user query needed information will be accessing that particular image server to user. In first unit only, we seen the diagram of how the information is accessing. There is a one user and information retrieval system tool, and there is a image servers and a video server and audio server, and there different servers based on the user request. Indexing here to locate the particular information. Some addressing will be there. Based on that address only, it is accessing the information. Either it is a image server, or it is a audio server, or it is a document server. This is all about the role of indexing in IRS. This will be indexing will be done, and the indexing to the whether it is a public indexing or it is a private indexing. But in Google server, the Google server system analysis only doing the public indexing, because the information will be knowing to the users wherever the user requesting. Coming to TCS like Microsoft, they are using the private indexing. Why private indexing? If it is a there is a confidential information about the projects where they're developing, this all about the private indexing and the private index terms, and the only accessing by the only that employees of the particular companies. Here Google server is like a search engine wherever any user can accessing the information. That's why here public indexing will be done. In indexing, we have a two concepts are there. First one is women indexing is there, women indexers also is there, and the automatic indexers also there. This will be the automatically by the system. It will by the software tool, it will capture the indexing and identify the index terms and verify and decide the where is the locations of the documents. If it is a document based indexing, or it is a image based indexing, or it is a video based indexing, based on that it will distribute the locations of the index terms to the particular servers. And after that, after decision of that particular index terms, it will keep on monitoring that index terms, if it is the correct locations or not. And again, wherever they requesting the user, then user will retrieve, then server will retrieve the information. This is the simple indexing by the automatic indexing. It is by the system only. And we have the another concept also is there, women indexing. Women indexers just women indexer also, they only decides the where is the information locations, where is the index terms locations, how the indexing will be done. Either it is a public indexing will wants to done, or private indexing will be done. It is all about the women indexers. These women indexers also will be there in every company for indexing that particular informations based on the document server, based on the image server, based on the video server also. This is all about the developments of a indexing. In 1980, commercial manual indexing, it is by the women indexers. This all about the history of the and developments of the indexing concepts. Indexing concepts in information retrieval system, whether it will be done by the women indexer or it will be done by the system indexers. That's why in indexing we have the two concepts are there. First one is automatic indexing, and next one is manual indexing. Manual indexing will be done by the women indexers. separate employees are there, and automatic indexing by the software tool. So this is the manual and automatic indexing. Human indexer assign index terms to documents based on the not only documents. If it is an image, then index terms to the image servers, document servers, and video servers. And automatic indexing, it simply allocates the based on the software tool developed by the human indexers. Based on that one, here manual indexing is slow and expensive because why expensive? Because employees will be manpower needed, and the salaries to particular employees of the human indexers also will be given by the employers, will be given by the companies also. In automatic indexing, if one system will be required to the all the index terms, here automatic indexing time in automatic indexing term will be fast and expensive because it will be done by the system. These are the objectives of indexing: manual indexing and total document indexing, item normalization process, controlled vocabulary, electronic form. We already seen these concepts, how the indexing will be done, total document indexing, uh, and the item normalization process. We already seen these concepts in first unit only. How the normalization means system understandable format, user understandable format to system understandable format. And controlled vocabulary, it is a collection of particular words based on the user queries, based on the system queries also. Indexing process will be done in by the public or private indexers. Here we have one diagram also. What is the scope of indexing? Concepts in item, manual indexing, and author vocabulary, index terms, how the indexing will be done, and the level of indexing. Level of indexing is two types. First one is exhaustivity and specificity. Different concepts in the item will be exhaustive